everyone, welcome back with teacher Saruon again. Now it's time to study math. Today is Wednesday of 26th August 2020. How are you everyone? Yeah, I hope you are good and for me it's fine. Thank you guys. So everyone, look at whiteboard. Today teacher will going to show you how to do exercise with jumble letter. Okay, look at whiteboard. Okay, do you see teacher has N-E-O? So it's jumble. So can you put in the correct word? N-E-O. Can you say the word? No, right? So if you put letter O-N-E, yeah. If you try O-N-E, you can say one, right? One spell O-N-E. Okay, now the next word teacher has W-O-T. Can you read that word? No, it's wrong, right? So what letter that you should put in first? Start letter T. Yeah. And W, the last letter O. T, W, O. We say two. Two spell T, W, O. Okay, now the next teacher have O-O-Z-E. Can you read? Yeah, it must be no. So the first letter that you choose here must be letter Z. And then E or O. Yeah, now you can say zero. Zero spells Z-E-O-O, right? Okay, good job. We are whiteboard together. So, do you know what number that we will learn the next number after number 2? Yeah, it must be number 3. Today we will learn number 3. Number 3. Okay, do you know how to spell the word 3? Start with letter T, E, or E, E. Okay, so now teacher is going to show you the word 3. So the first word must be right number 3. Has two steps. This is number 3. And how to spell the word 3? Start letter T. T, E, or E, E. 3 spell T-A-R-E-E. Okay, one more time. 3 spell T-A-R-E-E. It has 5 letters. T-A-R-E-E. You say 3. T-A-R-E-E. 3. Okay, so our lesson today we learn how to spell number 3. Okay, so don't forget to copy the word number 3 and the word 3 into the workbook for one page. And this is our worksheet. Pressing number 3 and the word 3. So circle the box with the 3 image. So which one has 3? Please circle and you can color. Thank you kids for watching this video. Goodbye everyone.